Ever been in the middle of a project and you're not sure if you're using the current logo or right color, or your teammate sends over their version and everything looks completely different? As a non-designer, it's happened to me a few times. Without a solid footing for your brand standards, it's really easy for things to get inconsistent. And in today's world, those mishaps can really water down your credibility and results. That's why setting up the brand area in Visme makes such an impact. It creates consistency across your team and makes sure everyone is working with the right guidelines from the start. By having a central place for your fonts, colors, logos, and other assets, your team will save time, stay on brand, and feel confident that everything is aligned. Let me walk you through how easy it is to set up. The brand area is only visible to admin users, and setting it up is really quick and easy. It shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. I like to start by adding my brand assets. This is where you can upload your logos, add your brand fonts either by searching through Visme's impressive font library or uploading your own. Then create color palettes that are specific to your brand. You can add as many color palettes as you need, whether it's just one or two or even multiple if you're co-branding your content to your audience. Plus, you can easily label them as primary or secondary palettes so they stay in order for your team while they're creating. Once your color palettes are set up, I recommend creating theme colors by clicking on the Create Theme Color button on the palette. Next, head over to the Styles tab, where you can rearrange the order of the color swatches to determine how they'll be applied to the project templates in the editor while you're designing. This lets you offer different color options while staying on brand. Theme colors are especially useful when you're using one of Visme's templates. With just one click, I can apply my brand color scheme to any template, making it fit perfectly within our brand guidelines in seconds. It's a huge time saver and one of my personal favorite Visme features. Heading over to templates, if you have your own templates that you prefer to have your team use, search for them by name and add them to the templates area. Once they're added, your team can now access them directly from their branded templates library in the dashboard to start new projects quickly and easily. Now we're in brand links. This is where you can set up all your associated, you guessed it, brand links. When you're linking objects in the editor, your brand links will populate as the default option, saving time and ensuring consistency. Now for the Settings tab. This is where things get interesting. Settings allow admin users to control the creative options for their users in the platform. You can disable access to non-brand fonts and colors and only allow your team to use branded templates while having Visme's project templates disabled. These settings help you keep the team on track and on brand with proper guide rails. So if you want to enable your team to create content while staying on brand, saving time, and avoiding those frustrating mismatches, get your brand area set up in Visme today. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.